Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Hello, everyone, and hello, Nexo. This is a vocabulary lesson about body parts.
Hello, Emma. I am ready to learn.
Today, we will learn words from this category. Body parts, with words like head and hand.
That sounds useful, Emma.
Here is how the video is structured. Words. Listen to each word. Quiz 1. Practice the words in Quiz 1. Phrases. Hear each word in a sentence. Quiz 2. Practice the phrases in Quiz 2. Are you ready to begin, Nexo?
Yes, Emma. I am ready.
Let's start by listening to the body part words.
Body parts. Head. Head. Eye. Ear. Ear. Nose. Nose. Mouth. Mouth. Hand. Hand. Arm. Arm. Leg. Leg. Foot. Foot. Hair. Hair. Finger. Finger. Tooth. Tooth.
Now we will do a quiz to reinforce the vocabulary we learned. Nexo, match the image with the correct word.
Ear. Eye. Tooth. Head. What is this? Head. What is this? Eye. What is this? Ear. Hand. Nose. Mouth. Leg. What is this? Nose. What is this? Mouth. What is this? Hand. Ear. Leg. Arm. Foot. What is this? Arm. What is this? Leg. What is this? Foot. Tooth. Foot. Hair. Finger. What is this?
Hair. What is this? Finger. What is this? Tooth.
How was the quiz, Nexo? Now we will hear the vocabulary in context.
It was good, Emma. I remember the words.
Body parts. Head. My head is big. My head is big. Eye. The eye is blue. The eye is blue. Ear. This ear is small. This ear is small. Nose. My nose is red. My nose is red. Mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Arm. My arm is strong. My arm is strong. Leg. This leg is long. This leg is long. Foot. My foot is small. My foot is small. Hair. Her hair is black. Her hair is black. Finger. This finger is clean. This finger is clean. Tooth. One tooth is white. One tooth is white.
Now, it is time for quiz 2. Match the image with the sentence.
My head is big. A. The eye is blue. A. This ear is small. A. My nose is red. B. Open your mouth. B. Raise your hand. A. My arm is strong. B. This leg is long. C. My foot is small. C. Her hair is black. A. This finger is clean. A. One tooth is white. A.
Great work. This class was clear and useful.
I liked this class. The words were easy.
This is the end of the lesson. Goodbye, everyone. Please continue with the next lesson.